we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this small town located in northeastern British Columbia, Canada. How do you say it? Well, there is apparently a local dispute over how it should be said, and I'm not going to resolve it here, but just give you those two versions, the two different ways this is locally pronounced. I can tell you that this looks very French to me, so I suspect the origin is French, meaning cut thumb. In French, for reference, this would be said as pouce coupe. Pouce meaning thumb in French, and coupe, cut. But it's not how it is pronounced there. It is said either as pouce coupe, pouce coupe, or as pouce coupe, pouce coupe, or pouce coupe. And now you know. Did you get this? Was this alright, correct, useful? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. More videos on how to pronounce more interesting names of famous places in Canada. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.